The golden helm of Malenia, blade of Miquella. 3D printed and perfectly sanded for a flawless surface. Every curve refined by hand. Primed in black, then layered with deep gold tones to capture that signature Elden Ring look. Oil wash brings out the shadows, wiped carefully to reveal the sculpted depth beneath the gold. Airbrushed shadows and gradients add dimension, turning plastic into armor. Final weathering with sponge and brush, scars of countless battles etched by hand. Malenia's helmet, reborn for cosplay, forged in 3D print, finished by hand. Check out our cosplay prop web store